Hi, Luke Hanson, Financial Advisor and Director at My Financial Design. Well, guess what? I'm standing here in the completed property renovation. It's all done, all dusted. It was meant to take 2 weeks. Instead, it's taken 7, plus another week to find a tenant. So I'm very happy to put this behind me and put it all to bed and know that it's a completed product, it's all done well, and the tenant should be very happy when they move in. So that completes the series that I've been sharing with you on property renovation. I'm sure you've learned a lot or maybe shared some experiences if you've gone through the journey as well yourself. But it's always so important when you're doing property renovation to try to get it right as best you can. We know that's not possible. Nothing ever goes 100% to plan, but being flexible, adjusting along the way is so important. And at the end of the process, you'll be able to stand here like I am right now, very happy, very excited that everything's come together and we can move on and we can put this behind us, knowing that we've got a great property here, all done, all completed, ready for the next phase. So that's it from me. I hope you've enjoyed this series on property renovating. I'll see you next time.